What's good, y'all? I'm about to try to prank Ossie. I got a sign that I'm gonna put on the back of his car. Me and Ossie finna go to the mall right now, just me and him. And I got a sign that's gonna go on the back of his car. Y'all gonna see what the sign say. It say honk if it's hot, something like that. Basically to make people honk at him while he driving. I'm pulling in his crib now. I got Quinto on the inside letting me know like what's his moves, what he doing. I've been texting Quinto. I'm gonna probably put it on the screen. I just now pulled up. I'm trying to record and drive. I can't record and drive. With this, I'm about to see his car. If his car isn't backed in, like backed in towards like a gate where he can't see from his balcony or window, then his wraps prank over. But if this is up, I got him. If this is up. His car is definitely backed in. Oh yeah, it's up. I'm about to tell Quentin. Have Quentin update me on him. I gotta hurry up because Quentin about to go to work. Alright, y'all, I'm walking to put it on now. The window room is open. His window room is open. I wonder if he can see me. I wonder if he see me. If he see me, it's wraps, it's wraps, it's wraps, it's wraps, it's wraps, it's wraps. His window room is open. I gotta get Quentin to get him out of his room. Alright, y'all, I got it on there. I can't show you. I gotta hurry up and get out of here. Alright, y'all, I got it on there. Oh my gosh. Bro, if y'all seeing this right now, I did it. Bro, I'm nervous though. This is my first prank too. I'm just playing off like I'm vlogging. Quentin helped me set up. He about to go to work. Alright, I'm at his crib now. We can try the next thing. I am gonna vlog though. How you doing? So we still going to the alley one? I bet. Oh. We is on the way to Grand Prairie Outlet Mall. You copping or you just looking?
Oh no, we copping today.
What you looking to cop?
Looking for another fitting. We got another black and red fitting. If I see some shorts, I really need some more shorts. Some more clean shorts, you know what I'm saying? Of course, we're gonna be looking for like a new fit. Hopefully, we catch a little bit today.
Yeah. I need really just some graphic tees and some black shorts. I'll be straight.
Yeah, Grand Prairie Outlet. Be having some W stuff every day.
Yeah, I do mess with the outlet mall.
It is 104.
What you say?
It is 104.
104?
104.
104 is crazy.
Just imagine this. Yesterday I had no AC. I had no AC since December now.
You had no AC through all this heat this summer so far. It was hot as heck when we drove to yeah, we went to the pool. Look at all this traffic. Can't see nothing about this big truck. It's always traffic right when we get to
Always
Arlington Island. Especially right here. Yeah, on 20 period. It be in Forest Hill. And then you good as soon as you come into Arlington. Then you hit some more when you come into Arlington. And you good for a little bit.
When you get past Parks Mall, that's when you get traffic.
You get past Parks, it's right here in the traffic.
And it's always around 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
He honked at you?
He ain't honking at me.
What the heck he honked for? He was tripping today.
I know it ain't me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna plug in myself. I'm gonna get that free advertisement.
Started doing it on. He honked too?
some shit on my car.
What the f?
Some shit on my car. Hold on. No way somebody put this shit on my car. That's why motherfuckers was honking, bro.
What the heck?
No, that's hilarious, bro. Ain't no way somebody put this on my car, bro. Who put this on my car?
What the heck?
Who put this on my car? That's hilarious, bro. Bro, somebody in my apartment complex put this on my car. I'm trying to back it to the damn spot, and this is covered up.
Well, I would have seen that if if you was parked the other way when I came. I would have seen that.
Nah, that's hilarious.
Oh shit! Boy, that boy getting gas right now. I don't know if y'all can see him behind me, bro. Only like 2 cars honk, 2-3 cars honk, bro. I don't know if this is a fail or what. I'm still posting it. I'm still posting it. He found out. I ain't telling him it was me though. He don't know it's me. I don't know how you don't know it's me, dude. Nobody random in your apartment is putting that on your car. It's me. I think I'm gonna tell him when we get back, bro. The reactions would have been better, bro, if I had more cars to honk, bro. I don't know why people don't want to honk in this area. We was in traffic and all, bro. I think like 3 cars honk. I ain't tripping though. I'm gonna hit another prank on somebody else. It's gonna be harder than this though.
Midday. Compton fitted. That's about it.
I gotta get my sign from off the car.
You for real put that, bro?
I gotta get my sign,
There's
bro.
no way you really put that, bro. What the hell is wrong with you?
I gotta get my sign, bro.
What's wrong with you, bro? You're sick.
You know what I'm saying?
You're sick. You know what?
Bro. Let me get my sign.
You're sick. Fourth the effort. Go around my car and put this on. I was like, what the fuck?
It was me the whole time. What?
Hell, man.
All right, man. This goddamn prank failed, but it was still funny to me. I don't care. Just getting posted. He lucky he didn't come up on my car, because I got, you know what I'm saying? This is still going on. Damien, Quentin, Ozzy, Trent, don't act like your stuff is sweet. Act like y'all safe for none of that. Like this stuff ain't still going on. Oh my gosh, it's hot. I'm about to end off this video, man. It's still getting uploaded. I don't care if I had a couple reactions. I'm bringing somebody harder next time. Okay.